Sa ibabaw. Sa baba. Sarap yan. Ang sakit. Pinaso mo ako. Pinaso mo ako. Kaba. Baka ako din.
Ba't walang hanghang? Uy, tinapay oh.
Kain ko kay. Hindi lang. Oh, gusto.
Whether you're selling.
Ito lang.
Let's draw a giant dinosaur. No, 100 dinosaurs. No, let's better draw 100 flowers. No, let's better draw.
Attention! Today I made the Today we will play
Baba, ikaw naman.
Who draws a better
Papa, saubo ka naman. Diba?
You will have to draw 3 different items. The one who does it the best will get a prize.
Is it too early to make this creamy lengua recipe
Sarap
for the
sa
holidays?
ibabaw.
I don't think so. Last year, I married my best friend. Time sure flies
Ah!
fast, and I realized as a couple, we don't get a lot of firsts anymore. That's what makes this
Sabi ko,
moment special.
Hey, Max,
Init
baby,
sa
come over
ibabaw.
here quickly.
Init
Look
sa
what is
ibabaw.
happening.
Hey, Sophie,
Hindi kasi
listen. The
hinalo eh.
Sow Queen is about to
Ayaw
give
nga
birth to little babies.
Max, baby, I saw tiny little babies jumping inside the belly here and here.
We need to build a nice house for them now. The old house has gotten dirty and
mahaba
is totally
akin.
useless. I'll tear it down quickly. Now I'll start splitting the bamboo with my mouth.
Hey, listen, I also want to split the bamboo with my mouth. You go away from here. My teeth will definitely jump. Oh my goodness, this bamboo is very hard tough.
Hey,
King,
Sophie,
ayaw mo
this
kanton?
place over here. I will mark it and weld it. I'm going to build a bigger enclosure now.
Hey, Max, baby, the South Queen's stomach has gotten so big. She will give birth to the babies soon.
Hey, Sophie, our Sow Queen is going to give birth to lots of colorful, tiny little babies all at once.
Hey, Max, baby, I am going to get bricks to make the boundary, and you start making the boundary quickly. Here you go, Max, baby, I brought the bricks.
Hey, Sophie, the boundary is finished and ready, and we have made the pathway very beautiful. And now, before seeing the Sow Queen's babies in their house, son, I am Jesus. Don't ignore me.
If you want me, the man casually tossed the remote aside, and it fell right into the couch. When he bent down to pick it up, he was suddenly pulled in by some mysterious force. The next moment, he found himself in another world. All around him, there were Continent Springs, still reeling from the shock. A cookie suddenly appeared in front of him. The cookie said it would take him to see the king, who knew where the remote was. After walking just a few steps, they encountered 2 SOC guards. When the door opened, they found the coin king sitting on a throne. The king.
First time na nakatikim ng ganito, promise. Ako muna, ako muna.
Oh! Init! Init!
Yung para sa yun.
Haluin natin. Ooh! Black. Black sa kanila ay brown. Sa atin, yellow. Diba?
Grabing kaang!
Papa, unti-unti lang. Mauubos ako din. Si ate din eh.
Kaya pa? Pag konti lang.
Hindi ko na kain nila.
Tignan mo yung pinakain namin. Sarap.
Nasa yellow basket to, sobrang.
Ba? Ay. Ah! Sarap! Ang sarap!
Every failed take meant I had to go downstairs to get the shoe back. And guess what? This happened. Check out the results on my page and
Din mo
don't
yan ate ha.
forget to follow me.
Sana lang.
Uy, tama na. Ang dami na nakain. King, meron pa tinapay mo, King oh.
Go downstairs.
Maliit lang bunga nga ako.
Yan ha.
Kaya nga, Dale. Okay na din, ha? Dale, okay na.
Yummy, yummy.
Saan ni Kuya nilagay yung shirt niya? Sa lagay magubad eh.
Atoy. Tayo. Uy.
Dito meron ka talagang notebook. Ha? Wala ba? Ay, saan mo nakuha yan? Oh. Saan? Wala.
Akin na to ha. Akin na to. Walang kukuha dito.
Sige. Yung sige ko.
Ayoko. Nakasubo ko na eh. Sa kwarto
Ay,
eh.
saan ko?
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, ang kalat nung kumain niyo.
Kainin ko yan doon.
Wow,
Hello. Hello.
Saan ka?
Naubos na.
Diyan.